Hey there, Susie Cans and Susie Grins. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion. You can announce me has a head of a Susie buffet. So, we got a few movies here today here. So we got veggies, potatoes, and chicken here. So we're going to dive into eat our food here because I like to eat. So we got some zucchini, squash, zucchini, and then we got some pebbles and some onions on the top here. Then here we go, sushi. Yeah, this is this. Mm, 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 so good. Mm. Is it's only good I think this week got um that is so gentle and I love it. Wow. And now potato soccer square potatoes. We are going to say sushi. Yeah, this is this. Mm, good. Hot a little bit. It's good, but is it brown with green stuff on it? So good. Wow. This only grill I can. No, this is a pot. I like it. And Mrs. Chicken is on that grill, by the way. A knife. I always use a knife. You can got this. And then we got this. Here we go. Let's make it cut to bite size. So we can stop it. And we are going to say sushi, yeah. Since it is this. Wow, it's good. It has a little glaze of it. And that's it. I love that beef here. I don't know why, but I love it. So in 3 hours from now, I was in Modern Night Raw episode. And then I got baseball practice. And after that I got Modern Night Raw episode. Yes, today. There's more episodes and plus coming away. I'm almost done. So stay tuned. So yeah, so thank you for watching please guys. And please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and join our notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please press that connect button. Sponsor me on my YouTube channel. This keys to this channel and add this really just do please. And please share this channel to family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And even though I have tables for you. Sushi, yeah.